Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change window animation scale on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. And system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn up. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. And developer options, scroll down and go to drawing section. Here in drawing section, you can see here the window animation scale. And okay guys, the window animation scale is set into animation scale 1 times. Okay, you can change this by tap the window animation scale and the pop-up are show. Okay, you can see the option here, so you can change the window animation scale into animation of animation scale 0.5 times, or animation scale 1 times, animation scale 1.5 times, animation scale 2 times, animation scale 5 times, or animation scale 10 times. So okay guys, so I decide to change the window animation scale into animation scale 10 times. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the window animation scale on my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.